Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. I have this Whirlpool clothes washer. It has this kind of knobs. See, this is wash temperature, water level, rinse option, and this is to select the colors and the fabric. And there is a start pause button, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stages of the cycle. So the problem I had was that when I load my clothes into this, and then when I start when I press this start button, then it goes to there's a light here on sensing fill. So it will get stuck on sensing fill. It will not go from sensing fill, and then when I lift the lid a little bit, then some water will come in, and so on. But it will not go past sensing fill. Okay? And see when I close it, some water comes in, and then it was stuck. And then I checked the water connection. See the water connection there? It's on. Okay, so I made sure that the water connection is on, and also some water will fill in. That means water connection is on, and it will not go past sensing fill. It gets stuck. It's just flashing, not doing nothing. So what I did, I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to press it for 3 seconds to cancel it. Okay. So what I did, I opened this. I thought it has something to do with the latch. So I removed this part here, and then I put this one here like this. I put it like this, and when you put it, it should go in. There is a hole here. See, there is a hole here. So this part here goes into the hole. So when you insert it, make sure it goes down. Make sure this part here goes down. So I inserted it, and it goes in. Then I can see that there is the metal from the machine, it comes out. So I put it like this, and then I try to test it. I press the start. And then the machine is working. Okay? And then at this stage, I can put the machine right now is working because this part is on. Okay, and I can load the clothes. I can put the soap, and then I close the lid, and the machine goes. And then it goes to the next one, it goes to the wash cycle, and after some time it goes to the rinse cycle, and finally spill cycle. Cycle complete, lights on, and lid locked. So at the finally, cycle complete, light is on, and the lid locked is off. So that means the job is done. Okay. So this is what I did, and now I'm going to stop the machine. I'm going to cancel it by pressing it for 3 seconds. See, now it's draining. See, some water was filled, so when I cancel it, it's draining the water. See, you can see from the sound, it is draining the water. And now it has drained. So now what I did, so what I will do is that I'll take this out, okay, and then I will so I'm going to tighten this screw, okay. And then I'm going to close it and test it, okay. So let me try to start the machine. See, the sensing fill light is on and the water is filling. See, water is filling. Of course, when I lift the lid, it stops. So then after that, it works. So it's working. So the moral of the story is that it was caused by the latch. See this latch here? The latch was somehow maybe become loose, and it was not going into this hole perfectly. So just by taking it out and putting it back, it seems to be working. So I'm going to cancel it. So this is how I solved the problem, okay? Of course, on the YouTube, you find many videos talking about this issue and that issue, and but I had a very annoying problem, because when it was not working, sometimes when I lift the lid, some water will come in, and I closed it, and then it stops, and it stops for 15 minutes. It does not go forward. So I called a technician, and he didn't help very much. But this is how I solved the problem. Okay. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below. And you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.